Welcome to The Modern Scholar, where great professors teach you. My name is Brian Keeler, and I'll be your host. Today we begin a course entitled, The Law of the Land, A History of the Supreme Court. Your professor is Kermit Hall, president of Utah State University and professor of history. Professor Hall earned his bachelor's degree from the University of Akron and his Ph.D. from the University of Minnesota. He holds an MSL from Yale Law School. President Hall has published widely in the fields of American constitutional and legal history, including works entitled The Politics of Justice, Federal Judicial Selection in the Second American Party System, and The Magic Mirror, Law in American History. He has also edited and co-edited some 17 other works, including The Oxford Guide to Supreme Court Decisions. In 1999, the American Library Association bestowed the James Madison Award on him for his service on the 5-member John F. Kennedy Assassination Records Review Board, to which he was appointed by President Bill Clinton and confirmed by the United States Senate. Of the 3 branches of the U.S. government, the Supreme Court is perhaps the least understood. Unlike the elected legislative and executive branches, the justices of the Supreme Court are appointed and therefore enjoy a degree of independence from the direct winds of politics. Moreover, while the cases that come before them are always heard in public, they are always decided in private, in conferences that the justices alone attend. What transpires in both the open court and behind closed doors? What is the decision-making process, and what considerations are taken into account? To what degree do tradition, politics, and precedent play a role in how the justices act? What decisions have impacted this nation and our daily lives the most? These are some of the questions we'll address in this course, as we explore the history of this most mysterious of government institutions. In the end, we'll arrive at a better understanding of the High Court, its justices, its traditions, and most importantly, its decisions which have impacted the American Republic over the previous 2 centuries and continue to do so today. While you will certainly learn a great deal by listening to Professor Hall's lectures, you'll get the most out of this course if you pursue the additional studies outlined in the accompanying course guide. Here you'll find recommended readings, illustrations, and short essays. In addition, by visiting this course...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?